In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to link tasks in ClickUp, a powerful project management tool designed to help streamline your workflow and improve collaboration within teams. Understanding how to link tasks is essential for creating a cohesive project plan, allowing you to see how different tasks are interrelated and manage dependencies efficiently. To get started, you'll need to log into your ClickUp account and navigate to the Tasks section. This is where all your ongoing projects and tasks are compiled, giving you an overview of what needs to be done and how everything fits together. If you're not already familiar with this, don't worry, it's pretty straightforward. Once you're on the task page, you'll be ready to link your tasks. Next, identify the task you want to link with another. It could be a task that is dependent on another task being completed, or maybe a task that simply relates to multiple other tasks. Once you've found it, click on the task to open its details. This will bring up a panel on the side of your screen with all the task's information, such as descriptions, comments, and various options to modify the task as needed. Now, direct your attention towards the plus sign or the More option. Clicking this will open up additional features that you can incorporate into this task. Among these options, you will see Link Task. Click this option to move forward. This feature is where the magic happens. It allows you to connect different tasks to visualize dependencies or task hierarchies. After selecting Link Task, you'll see an option that says Browse Tasks. This feature allows you to search through your existing tasks to find the one you want to link to the current task. It's a good idea to have an understanding of the task names or unique identifiers beforehand to make this process quicker. Once you locate the desired task, select it. Once you've selected the task you want to link, you'll notice that on the left side of the panel, there will be an already established link indicating that the tasks are now connected. This visual confirmation lets you, and anyone else working in the ClickUp space, know at a glance that these tasks are related. And that's it. You've successfully linked tasks in ClickUp, allowing for a more integrated and efficient approach to project management. This not only helps in maintaining clarity while working on complex projects, but also ensures that everyone involved is on the same page. Happy task managing?